Every passing minute is another chance to turn it all around.
Never believe a prediction that doesn't empower you. How many predictions have been thrown at you your whole life? If you believe predictions that do not empower you, you will wither away and die. Either physically die or your spirit will die as you just walk around the world like a carcass that is just following the masses. You will be given a lot of titles in your life. You will be told so many different things. You must only listen to that which empowers you.
And see, it's not important how long you live. What's important is how you live.
The first thing I believe you got to do to turn yourself around is really take control of your mind, or specifically, you got to feed and strengthen the mind.
Guess what? You're going to make some mistakes. So the person who's never made a mistake hasn't done anything. If you're going to make some mistakes if you want to do something out here, you're going to fall flat on your face. You're going to be criticized when you come out into the arena called life. You're going to feel awkward and stupid and dumb sometimes. It goes with the territory. But it's okay.
Take charge of your own life. Then walk away from the 95%. Don't go where they go. Don't do what they do. Don't talk like they talk. Develop you a whole new language. Don't use their vocabulary. Don't use their excuses. Once you look back on it, you will never turn back. You'll never go back to the old ways and the old language and the old neglect. Never.
Video 14, how to get clients. The most important factor that will drive business growth is clients. You need lots of clients to make more profits, so where can you find them? This section is going to be one of our longest sections eventually, with all of the additions that we've recently added on. So we'll start with finding clients. Start with your networks of friends and business acquaintances. Perhaps you already know somebody who knows somebody else who would be interested in your services. If you've ever completed any broker training or education, you may know from people from there who could be useful. Business cards. Always keep some business cards with you, as you can give them to people you meet and do business with. They're perfect as people will keep them in their wallets for future reference. You can also give your family and friends some cards to distribute. You never know when opportunity may present itself. If you can get free advertising, take it without question. There might be a number of places you can leave business cards or flyers. For example, at truck stops. People at truck stops are already in your industry, and an owner or operator might see your information and be interested in hiring you. Another good way to get free advertising with little effort is at your local businesses. Some may allow you to leave flyers or business cards at the front desk. You may as well ask, especially if it's a mom and pop business, as they tend to want to help smaller businesses such as yours succeed. Perhaps you can reciprocate the favor at some point. Cold calling is another avenue to explore, as it requires no advertising budget, just time. You'll find many shippers and carriers will listen to what you have to say, as you can offer them cheaper freight rates than what they're already getting. You can even offer them a low introductory rate for a few months and then increase the pricing back to your regular rates. This is a good tactic to build trust and reputation of being reliable. We do have a new list of shipper recruiting training series videos as well. We have the Fresh Start Freight Top 12 Code Calling Script, Fresh Start Freight Code Calling and Objection Handling, Fresh Start Freight 10 Awesome Templates for Overcoming Objections, and the Basic Script for Winning Customers and Shipping, which are available on your flash drive in your training pack. You will also benefit from visiting businesses in person. Direct contact different companies and give them brief explanation of what your business is offering. Remember, always leave any prospects clients with a business card. 5 effective ways or methods of finding new clients. Newcomers to the freight brokerage industry will find it quite hard to build a steady flow of shippers who require your service. You might spend months trying to win business from shippers, only to end up with just a handful of clients. Don't let this get you down. Every single freight brokerage business has had to go through this stage in the beginning. Everybody in business, regardless of what they're offering, has to go down this path. Being persistent and focus heavily on good customer service will bring results and success down the road. You will find a number of useful tips below that can help you acquire new clients. Niche marketing. Identifying a specific niche is the first step to take before starting your freight brokerage operations. You'll be in a better position to build your reputation as an expert in that niche once you know exactly who your target market is. Dominating a small specific niche is a lot easier than a large general niche. It also allows you to build a strong reputation in that niche and offers things the competition can't. We'll dig deeper into niche marketing later on. Using the internet, getting new customers, which will be much easier when you know which niche market you'll be targeting. Using the internet to find shippers is probably the best method of getting new clients, and vast majorities of brokers use the internet as methods of acquiring new clients and carriers. There are a number of websites that offer directories and databases of biggest shippers and suppliers in the country. You can contact them by phone or email. Posting on freight boards. Freight boards are frequented by lots of shippers looking for brokers or carriers. So making a post on a freight board can bring in lots of clients. Some of these boards are free and others require a monthly subscription to gain access. The free freight boards will let you search databases without any subscription or cost. The paid freight boards will provide additional benefits such as carrying out credit scores on shippers and carriers to ensure they're legitimate. Sometimes paying the subscription fee is worth it, especially if you want to get new clients fast and establish your business quicker. These classified freight boards are ideal as the volume of traffic that visits them each day is huge.